Hi friend, this is Zoe. Today we are going to learn how to add the leave application or leave data inside the employee or apply the leave from the software. First you log into the software, then we go to employee here, we go to any of the employee who you want, go to leave management. You can see this employee have the leaves. So how to key in this data? Now we go to the second, go to leave. This employee don't have any, so we just going to be here, type the leave, how many leave they have, medical how many have, annual how many have, you can type here, then apply. So we have the balance here, how much the total balance of the leave. If the employee have any bonus leave, company announce any leave for the employee like a bonus leave, then go to add-on leave, year 1, so replacement leave add, so leave is added in his accounts. If we go to leave management, so we have bonus leave 1 here, total balance become 31. So save this data, go out from here, go out from here, we go here, leave application, select the department, select the employee who you want. So we have the total detail here. So what leave you want to apply, you can go to any leave, what date, if the leave is paid it will deduct from the balance, if leave is unpaid it don't deduct from the balance. So I select now paid, type any reason, then add. So once you add, so leave will be deducted from the balance. You can see here total we have 31, now remaining is 30. So one balance is deducted from his account. If you key in wrong any data here, you can go to the attendance, employee on leave, select the date, query. So you can go here and delete this leave. Who is on the leaves? You can see this one, apply annual leave 1 unit. You can delete this leave, so his balance remain is how many he have total. So like this how you can key in the data in the leave and how to apply the leave from there. Thanks for watching.
Get your check time biometric system today. For more info, visit our website www.check-time.com.